Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I want to show you this plastic rice drainer, or you can use it as the fruits draining also. For example, if you want to clean some fruits, you can keep it in this plastic rice drainer and fruits drainer, and you can easily clean. And in this example, as I'm showing you the rice, the water can be completely drained as there are little bit of small holes at the end. So if you just slide it down or keep it inclined like this, all the water gets completely drained. And when the time I purchased this, it was like 99 rupees. Now also I'll check the online prices. In this video only I'll show you, and it was like 5 years I have been using this, and it is strong enough, strong plastic only, and the usage is pretty simple and very effective. Let us check the online prices. I'm going to open the Flipkart website. See here, yeah, and still there are 99 rupees availability, but I don't know exactly the brand what I have purchased before 5 years. And see here, for 123 there are two available, and for 99 one available. Maybe I can attach them. You can check the prices and the quality and the ratings. The rating, high rating would be the better one. See why I'm using this, because when you want to wash, means clean rice, most of the people wants to drain the water completely, because that's where the rice will be perfectly cooked. In this case, using other bowls, when compared to this, there may be some water remained, and this is quick process, remember, very quick. Just within seconds you can completely drain the water. As in the daily cooking, in everyone's life, this would be a perfect kitchen useful gadget at very minimal price. See here, now I am recording and with one hand I'm doing that. So this is pretty simple, and please do comment your opinions on this. If you're already using this, you can tell the brand which one are you using. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.